Finished up installing the water pump, thermostat, radiator. You say water pump. Car's been running now for about half an hour. At first, I had some leaks. One of my hoses, the clip wasn't on properly. These BMW clips, as you can see right here, it wasn't on properly. So when I left about 15 minutes, came back, saw this fluid on the floor. But the car was perfect. It didn't overheat at all. I'm gonna let it run for another 25 minutes or so. As you can see, it's been in the middle. Alright, I'm gonna let it run for about 20 more minutes, see what happens, and hopefully all that hard work pays off. Sounds good. Sort of broke this little hose thing right here, but that's okay. Patch it up till I get a replacement. So far, everything sounds good. Let it run for another 20 minutes. Keep an eye on it. All right.